1. So therefore this will become work done equal to f bar dot dr bar. We have to displace it from 0 comma 0 to 1 comma 1 comma 1. Let's substitute f bar will be x square I cap y square j cap z square k cap dot dr bar. You have to take dr bar. Dr bar will become dx I cap dy j cap dz k cap. So this will become x square dx y square dy z square dx z square dz, then 0 comma 0 1 comma 1 comma 1. I think this will integrate. The integration of this will be x cube by 3 y cube by 3 z square by 3, 0 comma 0 1 comma 1 comma 1. I think this will be 1 cube by 3 1 cube by 3 1 cube by 3. Lower limit will be 0 only, so this will become 1 joule. Finally we'll get it. So if you get a variable force, so this is very important. If a force where earlier was a constant, no, directly f bar dot s bar. If the force, if it is a function of like a x, y, z, then f bar dot dr bar. So what we are doing, what is dr bar? Dr bar is a small elemental portion, means somewhere this is the origin, and let's say the point P is here. Now this is the r bar we are taking. So what is dr bar? Dr bar here, the meaning is like this. How the force will act? X square, y square, z square. It will be directed somewhere here now. Now we are taking f bar dot b bar. For our understanding, I'm just putting f bar maybe like this, and the dr bar somewhere in this direction. Then work done to displace the particle through a small elemental distance. Let it be dw. Let it be dw. Work done to move from O to P, how much? That will integrate. The meaning you have to understand. See, now without dot product, this will be very difficult to really work out. Now, without this dot product, it's not possible. There is the advantage use of the vector dot product, cross product. Why do we use them is like to express the most of the phenomena, or what we say like the law, no, like a dot work done equal to force into displacement, that f bar dot s bar. What is the meaning of that? Component of force along the displacement, that's what we needed, because see what we wanted finally work done is force into displacement. Force, let it act in any direction, but component of force along the displacement is what work done, no? Because if there's a displacement, force acts here. There are two components of the force will be there, one F parallel, and there will be F perpendicular. Which force will be doing work? F parallel. How to calculate the component of force along the displacement? I'll take help of dot product. So if I do like this, what is the meaning of that? It is F bar F parallel into S. So what dot product will help us? It will help us to get the component of force along the displacement. There's a meaning here. Please try to understand. It's not like sir, I dot I, j dot j k. Why you should do here? Because what is the definition of work done? Force into displacement means component of force along the displacement. So what is the displacement? Let's write here. Component of force along the displacement. So how to get the component of force along the displacement? I'm taking dot product. So what we are doing here, what is this operation? The resultant force acting along the displacement is what we have calculated, and that component only will do work, and how much it is? 1 joule. This is actually the meaning. Now, please do think mathematically. Don't just end up maths. There's a major problem with the students, like you're just bothered about somehow getting answer. What is the dot product? Why I'm taking here? if I don't take dot product, can I do it? Why don't you think? There's the main purpose of studying here, but what happened? All this studying now, all this studying got converted into what? Like how many problems you do it per day? 100 problems are you doing? 200 problems are you doing? Irrespective of studying, what happened? We are just focusing only on finishing of numerical. Somehow we have to finish off numerical. Nothing wrong in doing more numericals, but what you learn question, you should know, okay, why you are doing like this, why you are solving like this. Are you getting? It makes a lot of difference. Why only I am writing equation like this? Analyze, really, you may solve some 30% problems less, but what you solve 70% or 50%, no, that is more than enough for you to get best rank in any exam you write it. There's a very saddest part of way of preparing for advance.